Welcome. Thank you for choosing Enginetech as your #1 source for internal engine parts. We're trying to make your buying experience as smooth, enjoyable, and successful as best as possible. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 6 Central Standard Time, 1-800-869-8711. Again, do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. And again, thank you for choosing Enginetech.
Online ordering is easy with our online catalog. You can order 24/7 at enginetechcatalog.com. Not into online ordering, you can give us a call at 1-800-869-8711 during business hours. We are guaranteed to answer in under 2 minutes.
Did you know our online catalog has a resource center full of technical bulletins and specifications on parts?
Hi, I'm Jacob with Enginetech. I can help you get started with your new parts returns. To get a return started, you can call 1-800-869-8711, extension 2206. You can give me a list of your new parts and I can give you an RGA number. RGA numbers are good for 30 days. You would need to write the number on the outside of the shipping box, ship back to our Texas location within those 30 days to receive credit. The only parts we cannot take back are obsolete or any damaged parts. Thank you.
We have on-site engineers here at Enginetech HQ. You can call our engineering team anytime during business hours. Do you have a technical question about our parts? If you do, our Enginetech team is here and happy to assist with any of those questions. As an Enginetech customer, you can count on our experts to track all the part history, isolate any non-conforming product, and ensure that anything that you receive is the highest quality part.
Our warranty here at Enginetech ensures quality and peace of mind for all of our customers. Our warranty policy here at Enginetech covers the replacement of non-conforming products that's always returned by our engineering team. There's the life of the motor as long as all the products were professionally installed. It's limited to product replacement only and is void through high performance and racing motors. There's no liability for labor or consequential damages. For more details about our warranty policy, visit us on the web at www.enginetech.com.
Did you know we have 7 distribution centers in the United States? We also ship international orders all around the world. Please note there is a 4% warehouse holding fee for all orders placed outside of Texas.
Enginetech is thrilled to be your go-to destination for high-quality engine parts. If any further questions are needed from our side, we're here to support you. Have a wonderful day.